On this episode of My Out and About, I go to Dr. Flea's market. Dr. Flea's flea market.
Where's that? Yeah. Come here. Hear me now. Me.
Harley Wayne. A friend of mine started a business, black-owned business. Check out the description for information on how to get in contact with my Harley Wayne and yours truly. Let's go.
Yeah. You have that book, the original book. You notice something besides the fact that I made it shiny. You notice anything different about the cover?
Here we go. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to the world of Harley Wayne. Located right here across from the 1100 on the wall. Harley Wayne, where are you? And beautiful gifts come with something custom made. They do it all right here at Harley Wayne. Courtesy of them, they've been so kind to donate 2 lovely gifts. These 2 gifts are going out absolutely for free to the very first 2 people that come and meet me. I can only take 2 people. If your birthday falls in the month of October, November, or December, if you're the very first 2 people that come meet me, Dr. Flea, right here, to get out loud, love deeply, live friendly, keep calm, and make Monday your. You gotta come and see it. Anyways, they have Batman, they have Superman, beautiful art. It's all waiting for you. 15% off, ladies and gentlemen. Get a free gift today for Thanksgiving with any purchase and enter their free draw. They're giving away great prizes. My first winner is Tony from Woodbridge, Ontario. Tony, have you ever been here at Dr.
See stuff, and it's all handmade and custom made. The giveaway that we're giving really is you can get a selection of a set of magnets, fridge magnets, a set of 2 magnets each of you. So you can just look through them and see basically just to give a taste of what we do. Novelty magnets.
Here I am, your girl at Dr. Flea's, and I'm at Harley Wayne.
And yours truly.
Yes, huh?
Yours truly and Harley. You see?
Yeah.
You see?
It's okay. It's okay. We're gonna run with it.
Yeah.
We're gonna run with it. These people are new, okay? Okay. So, all right. So,
Shots fired.
you got all kinds of stuff here. This is Harley Wayne and yours truly. So, and Christine. We're gonna hear more from them just now. I'm here with Shell
Yes.
for Harley Wayne.
Harley Wayne Creations.
There you go.
Harley Wayne Creations is your one-stop shop for anything special that is handmade, upscale, novelty, or all of the above. I have a passion for like comics or the old school hip hop, so you see here. But my thing is, we make them all nice and fancy. So you know, you got the fancy bling on there, with your Wu-Tang, or your fancy bling on your Superman and your Batman. Let's go on my Instagram, My Harley Wayne, where you can see the special glow in the dark effect. Everything that I do here has a glow and darken effect on top of it.
Really?
And yes, special glow in the dark effect that is unique to me as well. Everything that I do here has a glow and darken effect on top of it.
Really?
And yes. I wish I had something to show it to you. So I don't know how it would show up on camera, but that's your Wu-Tang glow in the dark there.
Nice.
Right? There's Superman.
Ooh, that's sick.
The camera doesn't do it any justice, to be honest. Gotta come down here, doctor,
It
please.
looks like kryptonite in his chest.
Right? Right? Let's see, how does that work? How does that work?
Yeah, man. And so, like in the dark, like you
In the
just
dark,
see
you
that.
just see the Superman
Very
emblem.
nice.
It looks very, very nice.
Well, that Wu-Tang thing
And the
is sick,
love
though.
is
Yeah.
doing. You like that Wu-Tang?
I like them all.
Yeah.
This guy does some good work.
Thanks, man. Thanks, man. Thanks, man. Yeah. Do
Show me that Wonder Woman one. You going past the women, yo?
sorry, I was trying to show. There's Wonder Woman, and that's the
Okay.
actual image up there.
Yeah. I got it.
That one's the faith and love, so it's not just
Oh,
superheroes and stuff, but
nice,
you can get a
yeah.
nice motivational or spiritual
I love
word.
that.
Yeah. Live, love, laugh. They glow in the dark as well.
Nice.
Show you there. That's it
Love
there on
it.
my shelf.
Love
And
it.
then, yeah. We're here, Dr. Fleas, every weekend, Saturday and Sunday, 10 till 5. Right from now to the holidays, this is the spot to come. And we're also doing some really special blingy stuff for the ladies.
Yeah, we're gonna get to
Gonna do
that.
that? Okay,
We're gonna
okay.
get to that. Okay.
So yours truly is something I started a couple years back. Basically, it's from yours truly to yours truly. So when people want anything personalized, they would come to me. I can personalize the mug. I just use this one as the staple, man of the house, but also for Father's Day, we have it to say dad, or
Love
you can
that.
put a special name on it. My specialty is actually Afrocentric stuff.
Oh.
So my focus is, to providing stuff for our community. So yours truly likes to, we have down here. Okay.
Oh, are you gonna be the model?
I know.
I'm trying to help.
We have princess mugs and our Afrocentric mugs down here that you can also get personalized on the back with someone special.
Oh.
We have the wine glasses as well that we I also specialize.
You guys notice my name is on there?
Uh-uh.
Spelled slightly
Okay.
different, but okay.
Oh yes, she's my little beauty.
That is so unique.
Yes.
I love it.
Wait,
So
Dr.
what's your
Fee was here when we had it.
inspiration
Yeah.
in making these mugs?
I think being able to create something special. I like doing
Doing your
unique
regular
things.
round day.
Definitely creating
never
something
got to
for
see from you,
our
eh?
community, for the Black community,
I never got to call from
is
you.
where my heart is centered. So you'll see a lot more of Afro-centric products being offered by yours truly, or something Afro-centered. So that's my inspiration, as well as motivation. I also do teas. Yeah. So we have teas there. My version. So I'm inspired by anything.
Coco, the melanin drip. That melanin drip. Ooh, I like. And I do this.
I like to keep it fun and creative. Yeah, and the photos do it no justice, guys. So definitely come and support and give us a visit at Dr. Flea's Hair every weekend from 10 to 5. Come check us out.
Nice.
Thank you. You're welcome. That is really good to be
Yeah.
able to give back to the community, like
Yeah.
have little classes or workshops,
Yeah.
things that kids will,
Right, yeah.
be able to
Yeah.
even to be inspired by, to know that
Yes.
there's a lot of creativity out there, and if they just,
Yeah.
by themselves, or,
Yeah.
stay out of trouble.
Okay, Mom. Yes.
Do it,
Sorry. I will.
I know, right? Yeah. Yeah, but that was something I was not eat.
And you heard from Christine, from yours truly, and Sheldon from Harley Wayne. I was gonna say Harley Quinn. Harley Wayne. I'm telling you, listen, I bought these magnets. So I bought those magnets, and I think they're so cool, and I think that he's gonna go places with that, as well as these sister girl cups, melanin drip ties. Oh my! And that princess one, let me tell you, that princess cup, the girl's hairstyle is okay, on point, on point. That's the kind of style I would do with my hair when I had longer hair, but we ain't gonna talk about that. Anyway, come down to Dr. Flea's Saturday, Sunday, 10 to 5 to Harley Wayne. Harley
They know what you mean.
Wayne.
They know
Oh
what
my
you
God. You know I'm gonna put it at the bottom. You know I'm gonna put it at the bottom and the address. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. So there you have it. Make sure you go out and you support Harley Wayne, Black-owned business. So you will not regret those gift items. Just in time for Christmas.
Before you were on this thing. Oh, I have doctor.
God.
That's
here.
what the mask is for.
That's the
Been social
Wait, are we
distancing.
recording?
This is social.
Yes, I am.
Jesus Christ.
She's getting it in.
Yep, I am. I'm not
We
taking
are
a picture.
with the Camille Natalie.
Other way
Natalie
around.
Camille.
I knew that.
Oh, you're blaming it on the mask?
Oh no, there's no bling on the mask. Yeah.
No, you blaming it on the mask. See, you
Oh.
can't be hearing me with this mask on. You can't hear me properly.
Camille and Natalie Camille Nation or Natalie
Thank
Camille
you.
fans.
Yes, we thank
Or-
her. She's amazing.
Natalie Camille Nation.
Yes.